Are you preparing for Praxis Elementary Education Social Studies 5004, Geography, Interpreting Maps, Understanding Physical Features, Human-Environment Interaction, and need some extra practice? If so, I have a video that is perfect for you. Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at Study.com, and I'll walk you through some of the types of problems you will see on the test. In this particular video, we will focus on identifying the location of the highest peak in the world, how geography aids in interpreting the past, a question about latitude, and the difference between different types of storms. Make sure to pause the video and try these on your own. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Which continent is home to the Himalayas, known for housing the world's highest peak, Mount Everest? Is it A, Asia, B, Europe, C, Africa, or D, South America? All right, so the Himalayas run through India and Nepal, and both of those countries are in the continent of Asia. So the correct answer here is A, Asia. Which of the following explains how geography aids in interpreting the past? Is it A, focusing on the cultural aspects of historical periods and historical societies? Is it B, analyzing maps and landscapes to understand historical civilization and trade routes? Is it C, understanding historical events and the pathways for war missions and trade routes? Is it D, applies to modern day occurrences and the history of trade routes around the globe? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So when we look at what it's asking, it's saying how geography aids. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate choice A because that focuses on cultural aspects of historical periods. So that has nothing to do with the geography. These other choices are close. They talk about trade routes, things like that. But the one thing I want to pick out from this is in choice B, it says analyzing maps and landscapes. So that is how the geography affects historical civilizations and trade routes. So I think the best answer here is choice B. The line that runs through the Earth at 0 degrees latitude is A, axis, B, the prime meridian, C, international dateline, or D, the equator. All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So I'm going to eliminate axis. So axis are just basically lines on the map, but it doesn't really specify 0 degrees latitude. The next choice I'm going to eliminate is the prime meridian. So the prime meridian is actually 0 degrees longitude. And also I'm going to eliminate C, international dateline. That is 180 degrees longitude, and that's where we mark the official start of a new calendar day. So the correct answer here is D, the equator, and that is 0 degrees latitude, and that separates the northern and southern hemisphere. What differentiates hurricanes from typhoons and cyclones? Is it A, features of development, B, wind intensity, C, location, or D, effects? All right, so let's eliminate some choices here. I'm going to eliminate effects. They all have devastating effects on people and property, so I'm going to eliminate D. Wind intensity, they all share a high wind intensity, so I'm going to eliminate B. Features of development, they all develop over bodies of water, so I'm going to eliminate A, features of development, and the correct answer here is C, location. So the name changes based on in either the Pacific or the Atlantic Ocean in the different regions of the ocean. So the correct answer is C, location. Okay, that concludes our video on Praxis Elementary Education Social Studies 5004. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Education Social Studies 5004 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.